Gotta get a thumbnail too. Well, I don't know if this is gonna be the thumbnail, but what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We out here at nighttime. But the camera not that bad. Look, it looks like it's daytime with the camera though. Look.
Oh, good shit.
Yeah, shit look kind of bright. Today's video, we got the M340 in the air already.
What's going on, guys? We're back again. Another M340 video. Today we got something special for y'all though.
Yeah, you guys show what we got.
All right, today. So the last time you was with us, you saw us. We put the JB4 on there. We might have a video coming up soon, a review on that. We don't know yet. Let's see how it works. But we'll get your review on that. Right now, today, we got something really special. As you can see, the car's in the air. A little scary. Not gonna lie, it's a little scary.
But you did it better than I normally do it.
But yeah, let's show them. Hold on. Sneak peek though. Can't look yet. Hold on.
My man picked up the Dinan exhaust quad tip with the valved exhaust from Dinan. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm not a fan of exhaust. I feel like they was like really expensive pieces of metal, but this is a real nice, expensive piece of metal. And now he turned me into a believer, so I think I might get one of these for the next car. This thing is nice. It's quad tip. And what you said when the valves are closed, it's straight pipe.
When the valves are closed, it redirects the exhaust through there into the muffler and out this pipe here. When they're open, it's coming straight through here, no muffler, no nothing.
This is what he had on his car, bro.
Come on, bro.
But look how small.
I'm done, bro. I'm not you showing me that. That's disrespectful to the car community. From the last video, you guys already know I have a catalyst down pipe. So pretty much there's no anything in the mid pipe. It's just straight catalyst down pipe, straight through the mid pipe, through the cat back exhaust, and when the valves are open, it's just straight piped. A lot of people with this car, they get the AWE, which AWE is awesome, really good company, but they're also very expensive for the, I believe it's called the switchback. Too much money for me. That's why I went with the Dinan. But with the AWE, it's just straight pipe all day long. I don't want to be that guy, so that's why I got the Dinan. So today we're here installing it. We already got one pipe cut on the bottom. We'll show you that later. And now we're gonna go for the second pipe and then pretty much take that off, take all the hangers off, throw the new one on, and we go from there.
All right, let's do it. Yeah, one thing that we left out is, I'm not sure if you can see on the screen, is a little dimple. That's where you would cut the exhaust at. It's some sort of a marker. BMW put that there for the M Performance exhaust, and Dinan follows suit as well. So good job, BMW, for that. So we're gonna go ahead and continue with the video part.
Just bring that top piece through, and then I'll grab it and push it through.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I figured I'm going to get a lot of comments in this video about the method that we're using. That is some sort of chain manual labor looking pipe thing, pipe cutter. So I'm going to put the link down below where you guys can find this as well. You know, you can just Sawzall, but this is, you know, no battery powered, no electricity, and it's pretty quiet. So, you know, gets the job done as well.
Oh, yo, you scared the shit out of me, bro. Yo,
It'll just pop out.
that's perfect. You got it?
Yeah. There we go. Where we at?
Right here. This little dot dimple.
Yeah. Bring this out.
This might be.
Stuck?
Yeah, hold on. Yeah, all right, now we good. We should be good. I'm just waiting to hear that rumbler. Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah. Just the water.
Alright.
Ooh, clean.
Hell yeah.
Clean, this one.
Now we gotta wiggle a little bit. That's all good.
Yeah. And then I got one
With the catalyst and the
with
stock
the
exhaust.
Stock exhaust. So then
Alright. This is good.
Good.
You have the 10 or what is it? 10 or 13?
13.
Let me get the 13. I normally have the jack on the exhaust because it's gonna come down.
Oh shit, yeah.
Yeah. But fuck it.
Fuck it.
Just make sure you get your shot. That shit came on fast. Alright.
What are you touching over here? Oh.
It's on something?
Yeah, right here.
Oh. Remember I got that last little
Yeah, that little wiggle shit.
Muffler's out. So yeah, we got to transfer this right here over.
This one here, like that. Yeah.
Yo, the stainless steel look dope, though. It look way better than that.
Hell yeah.
Oh, and there's no bends like this. You see these, the little.
Mm-hmm. And this is thicker too. Of course.
Yeah.
It's the 3-inch.
It's like more mandrel bent. Yeah.
Right way.
Oh, I didn't even think about that.
Yeah, little spring shit. It's off.
Let me see. I was gonna take it off slow. Oh. Oh.
Like that. Alright.
Ooh, God damn.
She a beast. Look. This is for the.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. That
That's
makes
for
sense.
there, right? Then you got these 5, right?
Mm-hmm.
But one of them, this one, 69.9 millimeter, and these are all 3. So you got 4 here for the tips.
Mm-hmm.
Then you got these 2 here for the other 2 pipes.
Okay, so one of them is smaller than the
one
other.
pipe has to be smaller than the other. We're gonna have to figure that out.
Oh, yo. This man.
This is gonna go on the inside. It goes sick though.
Nah, it does. That's all I was saying. You should leave it like that.
That shit look crazy.
You should just leave it like, or just have the pipe coming straight back all the way.
Hell yeah, that shit look sick. Hold on.
Yo, that does look fire, bro.
Looks sick, man.
That's pretty dope though how they got that little splicing thing
Yeah, so then this becomes the new factory one.
for the right side, and then you
right side,
bring that
and
over
this
to
one
the
comes
left.
over.
Both valves, boom.
So you take this. This comes up like this.
Oh, so you pretty much route it however you want.
Yeah, but it says to take these. You take 1, 2, 3 off to give you some room. And of course, it doesn't want to give you room.
Yeah, it looked like 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh.
Word. Take these off real quick. Take these off.
Yo, you took something off right here?
So, yeah, so there's 7 here.
Oh.
And I'm gonna route the wire through here with
Under
this
there.
factory.
Got you.
And then put that back on. And then that's it.
You have valve control on the passenger, on driver's side.
Oh hell yeah. What other way?
A little bit.
Oh, Gucci.
Here we go.
Never treated myself like this before, to be honest. When it came to cars and shit, like I mean when I got my Maxima, I put a system in it. But it was like the most I ever did. I didn't do no performance, no nothing.
Nah, the system, I used to run a system in my joint too.
I had
Yo.
crazy shit on my Maxima.
I had a 1992 Camry, bro. I put a sound system in that shit. Yo, let me tell you how crazy the sound system was, right? It was so bad that you could only play the music when you're driving. And whenever you idle, the battery would die. Yeah.
Battery.
Yeah, bro. I had to keep it revving. That's terrible, bro.
Throwbacks. I remember that.
Hell yeah. I never thought I'd be fitting an exhaust on a brand new BMW.
Yeah.
I'm like, enough. Neither would I.
Huh?
It's on.
see what I'm saying?
Oh shit. Alright, we lit. Let's do it.
Yo, I don't know M340 that sound like this,
And
bro.
not even on the load.
Yo, meanwhile, my car been running the whole time. You don't hear.
Yeah, this guy's crazy.
Yo, you know what I'm gonna title this video now? M340 exhaust on an E9328. Yo, we the first to do this, man.
Yeah.
Put an M340 exhaust on.
Get your thumbnail. Get your
Word.
thumbnail. Hold on.
Word, what the?
E90 with an M340 exhaust. Your man slow speed. First one.
Yeah, I can't wait to see how it sounds with it loud.
Yo, that thing sounds freaking crazy, especially with a load on it, the burbles. 2021. You guys want to know how to get a little bit of burbles? It's a little bit straight pipe. Well, not necessarily straight pipe, but straight pipe is in, get an exhaust and, you know, down pipe, and then you got your burbles. Okay guys, so there you have it. The exhaust is on the M340 Dinan exhaust. I'll put the link down below along with my guy Jerry's Instagram. If you guys have any questions, hit him up, give him a follow. Now with that being said, we did have some issues with the actuator. So it's been about a week now and Jerry finished the whole car completely. We're gonna link up with him, get some exhaust clips in comparison to how he was stock, catted with stock exhaust, catless with stock exhaust, and now catless with the Dinan exhaust. We're going to throw all those clips in there for you guys. But yeah, until then, stay tuned. Remember, guys, like all these videos. Until next time, I'm going to just sit here and catch up on my MT07 POVs. Tell me below if you guys think I should get an MT07 for the channel. I should do that little like thing. If I get X amount of likes, I get an MT07. I should do that. But yeah, guys, just like that, I'm out here. Mike from Slow Speed. Peace out.